Imagine a busy executive. His days are filled with calls, emails, and meetings. Stress is constant. He feels overwhelmed. One day, he finds himself by a quiet lake. The water is still, reflecting the blue sky like a mirror. He sits on the bank, closes his eyes, and just breathes. For the first time in weeks, he feels calm. His mind is quiet. He realizes the power of even a few moments of peace. This is the power of meditation. We live in a world of constant noise and distraction. Every day we are bombarded with information from all directions, making it hard to find a moment of peace. Our phones buzz with notifications, demanding our attention at all times. Social media, emails, and messages keep us constantly engaged. Our minds race with to-do lists and endless tasks. We juggle work, family, and personal responsibilities, often feeling like there's no end in sight. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. The constant pressure can take a toll on our mental and physical health. Meditation offers a way out. By taking a few moments each day to sit quietly and focus on our breath, we can find a sense of calm. It's a simple practice, but it can have a profound impact on your life. Regular meditation can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Meditation helps you find calm amidst the chaos. It allows you to create a peaceful space within yourself no matter what's happening around you. When you meditate, you train your mind to focus. This improved concentration can help you be more productive and present in your daily life. You learn to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This mindfulness can lead to greater self-awareness and emotional balance. This creates a sense of inner peace that carries with you throughout the day. By practicing meditation regularly, you can cultivate a lasting sense of tranquility and resilience. You don't need to spend hours in silence to benefit from meditation. Even a few minutes can make a significant difference in your mental well-being. Here are 3 simple techniques you can try in just 5 minutes to bring a sense of calm and peace into your day. First, focus on your breath. Find a comfortable seated position where you can relax without being disturbed. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it as it is naturally. Second, try a body scan meditation. This technique helps you bring awareness to different parts of your body. Starting with your toes, mentally scan each part of your body. Move slowly and deliberately. Notice any sensations you feel, whether it's warmth, tingling, or even tension. Just observe without judgment. Continue scanning each part of your body until you reach the top of your head. This practice can help you feel more connected to your physical self. Finally, guided visualization. Find a guided meditation audio or video that resonates with you. These meditations often use calming imagery or stories to guide your mind to a peaceful place. Imagine yourself in a serene environment. Follow the instructions and allow yourself to relax deeply. Let go of any stress or tension and immerse yourself in the experience. Section 4. Your journey to a peaceful mind begins now. This is the beginning of a transformative experience that will bring tranquility and balance to your life. Embrace this moment as the start of something beautiful. You have the power to find peace within yourself. It's a journey that requires patience and dedication, but the rewards are immense. Imagine a life where stress and anxiety no longer control you. Meditation is a gift you give to your mind and body. It's a practice that nurtures your inner self, allowing you to connect deeply with your thoughts and emotions. This connection fosters a sense of calm and clarity. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Start small. Begin with just 5 minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key. Choose one of the techniques and try it for 5 minutes today. Be patient with yourself. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Each session is a step towards a more peaceful mind. It takes time to develop a meditation practice. Keep a journal to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. The more you meditate, the easier it will become. Over time, you'll find it easier to slip into a meditative state, and the benefits will become more pronounced. You'll notice the benefits in all areas of your life. Meditation can improve your mood, enhance your focus, and increase your overall sense of well-being. It's a holistic approach to mental health. You'll feel calmer, more focused, and more resilient in the face of challenges. This newfound resilience will help you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and ease. making you a stronger, more balanced individual. Section 5. Discover more peace. Want to learn more about meditation and mindfulness? Subscribe to my channel for more tips and techniques to calm your mind and live a more fulfilling life. Together, let's embark on a journey of inner peace and self-discovery.